Booksteam tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Booksteam. Booksteam is a platform that you can use as a beginner or a professional to create a booking page quite quickly. All you need to do is go onto booksteam.com, then you can tap on Get Started for free, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do next, you can set up your company profile. For instance, you could go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on click here to add new staff member. And you can add in new staff members right there. You can fill in their name, photo, email address, and basic information. You can also tap right where you see add location in the top right hand corner. And from there you can put in your main location, and you can put in your phone number and address and all of the basic information right here. So you can fill in your location. You can also tap on close dates, so you can select the dates that you are closed or open. You can add in your hours right there. You can also tap on payment methods, and you can select the different payment methods that you will accept. After you have done that, so now you have added locations and you have added staff, the next thing you will need to do is add services. So you're going to select services from the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on add new service, and you can give your service a name. You can add a description. Then from there you can select default category. So you put in the duration, so we'll just type in 30. Then after doing that, you can add in the cleanup time. So this basically means the time in between the services. So let's say, for example, you're a masseuse or barber, and you'll need to take some time to clean up your station before a next client will be able to come in. You can put that in right there, the time that you need. You can also put in the price that you charge. And if it is a case that you would like to assign it to a staff member, you could tap on assign staff member, and you could choose the staff member that you would like to assign this service to. Once you are finished, you're going to tap on save, and you can continue adding more services by tapping on add new service in the top left hand corner. If you want to offer classes, you can select classes, and from here you could tap on add new class, and you can fill in the duration and so on if you like to offer online classes. If it is a case that you would like to create courses, you could select courses from the left hand menu option, tap on add new course, and from here you will be able to upload your course as you can see right there. So if you like to do that, you can set it up real quick. You can also tap on business details, and from here you could upload, for instance, your socials and so on, and your business logo. You can also tap on preferences, and from here you can set up different scheduling rules and so on, and question fields. And if we were to tap on client payments, this is the section in which you'll be able to connect different payment options. For example, Stripe, PayPal, and also Square. So you can connect these options, and clients will be able to pay via online using any one of these options. Talking about clients, if you would like to manually add clients, you can tap on clients right there. After tapping on clients, you can either choose to manually add clients, or you can choose to import clients if you have a CSV file by tapping on import right there. After you're finished doing that, what I want you to do next, you're going to hover over marketing from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. After selecting marketing, from there you can select book now button or links, and you can see the button right there. If we were to select mini web page, you can toggle it on, and you can see your web page link right there. You could select it, and you can see how it looks. So persons will be able to go onto it and book your service or so on. So you can select whichever one of these options. You can also edit it by tapping on look and feel. Then from there you have some basic editing options. And I would say that this is not the best when it comes onto customization, but it is beginner friendly and easy to use. They also offer email marketing options, so you could select email marketing, and you can connect with MailChimp, and from there you could start doing some email marketing. If we were to hover over sales, from there you can also offer different packages. You can create gift certificates, you can run promotions. If it is a case that you like to sell physical products, you can select inventory, And you can do that. You can also sell membership. You can also create invoices. By selecting invoices, you could tap on invoice from the top left hand corner and you could create an invoice right there. So there are numerous options that you can choose from when it comes onto this platform, and I would definitely recommend it as an all-round booking platform with additional features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.